Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with gold today on a monthly time frame to see is Bitcoin or gold a better long-term investment, depending on your risk profile, obviously. If you haven't seen my previous gold video, feel free to find it in the YouTube section. It's been a while because gold is a very slow mover, but I'm gonna go over our long-term view. Right now we're on a monthly. Obviously you can see it's clearly an uptrend, right? If you zoom out right now, you can see that gold has been basically going up since late 2000s. Yeah, late 2000s. So be aware that, yeah, it's an uptrend. We had this last uh, pullback on support over here between 2013 to about 2020, and then upside again. Where do we go from here? So I've already put on some fibs. Here it is. I'm going to be using this consolidation because keep in mind that this is a monthly time frame. From here to here is 1,433 days. Okay, so that's like 3 years, 4 years. So just be aware of that this looks like it's nothing, but it's a lot of data. Okay, 3, 4 years worth. And in that 3, 4 years, what happened? You made an inverse head and shoulder accumulation, which I actually warned of all this in the other videos. But you can see here's your inverse head, the bullish thing. You had a markup. You came back, tested support, did not breach into the golden pocket of 1700 and break out from there. I remember gold when it was around $1,200 a share, near here. And I remember Bitcoin was around $1,200 a share. I don't know if that was over here or like over here somewhere, whatever. But it was in that year. No, it's over here somewhere because I got into Bitcoin around 2013, 2014. So it was after the first run, so around 2015, 2017, took time for my parents to even understand what crypto was, and I had to explain to them, yeah, gold is a rock, crypto is a digital rock. Uh, it took a lot of convincing, but I had them eventually convert their gold into Bitcoin at around 1,200 to 1,200. It was $1,200 for 1 ounce of gold, and one Bitcoin was $1,200. So from there, obviously, their ROI is good, but the point of the matter is we're doing the same similar setup here in a tighter, this was a much longer consolidation. This is a much tighter consolidation. Here is your neckline of this consolidation. And here is the support, this blue level right here. And now after seeing all this, I'm going to zoom in to a weekly. All right. So now that we're in this weekly, that coffee making good, right? As you are seeing this on the weekly now, right? People are probably wondering, are we going up? Are we going down? Are we going left? Are we going right? Blah, 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 blah. What I can say right now, just off of the weekly chart, is that right now we're in an uptrend, obviously, as I showed you the yearly profile. We are in an uptrend, and the uptrend right now is still got room to the upside. Between 21 and 2150 is where I find possible resistance. So I'm going to this is just the last level of resistance that I would expect on this. Uh, and you know what? Cut corners. I'm going to do it for you, bro. The way that we would go about this is like this. I would draw a triangle And in that triangle would be, wow, that trash triangle because I have lag right. Sorry guys, just bear with me. I know the lag sucks and blah 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 blah, but the information is solid. If you just be patient with me and you try to learn what I'm trying to teach you, I'm pretty sure you're gonna make a lot more money than you already have. So this right here, this order block. Remember I told you this green line is the neckline. So this I'm going to turn super thick and white. Now what this means is any price action open and closes underneath this line, okay, of 221. Oh no, 2000. Okay, so basically 2000. If if gold open and closes underneath 2000 on a daily or whatever lower time frame, it's a warning for you that the downside is possible. Okay, this green and this white that I've been drawing is basically to confirm that this is the bullish order block we're moving out of. So I'm going to lock these in because this is a very long-term accumulation. So whoever did this, banks, billionaires, retail, it took a lot of time and money to do this, okay? So whoever did it, they basically have now made this an order block. That's how I call it, an order block. You can go from this top, where basically we're at right now, okay? This top, all the way down here, is my order block. Anything inside this block is an opportunity for you to buy because it's confirmed that any price inside this block is a fair price buying opportunity for the markup that is basically getting started. Now, how does this order block, like, why does it even matter I did this shit, right? Like, why the heck do you care? So here you go. Neckline. So this is how I do a measured move. I measure the neckline and it's because of the lag. I am so sorry, guys. One of these days, I'm actually going to get another laptop. So after this lag, this is the resistance. Once this resistance is broken here at 2150, all I'm looking for is my next three levels between 2260 to 2500. And that's where I'm expecting it to go. If this triangle consolidation right here, this little bull flag that you got going on here, I'm going to draw that next. Sorry. I'm going to draw that bull flag next. There you go. See this little bull flag right here on support? This was your signal to let that stuff pump out. That is it. Can you see that, guys? I'm sorry, man. These colors are going to get wacky and all that. But basically, this price action is proving that this measured move is a possibility. I'm going to move this over here so it's not on top of the candle that we're actually freaking uh, trying to get to. And this would be target right here, right to the fib. So what I did was I did fundamental analysis on the long term of gold. I did technical analysis going like this is a consolidation, this is an order block, this is an inverse head and shoulder. Breaking above 2000 is going to be continuation for an upward turn breakout. Your Fibonacci of this range is giving you a target of these levels, blah 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 blah. I did not even really do the I did not do the fib for the real upward push. This fib that I gave you is extremely conservative just on this order block. It will with the confirmation, the way that I trade, the way that my things confirm, what it's telling me is that this little hiccup here is this last little hiccup. Once this hiccup is basically broken out of, you're basically confirming that this is done. You're not gonna see these prices easily ever again. Right there. This is the last level of resistance you have. That's your warning. The yellow is the warning. Once you break above this 2150 and you actually have open and closes, you're ready to break out. This little wick that you had, this wick rejection, right onto my freaking, right to the dollar level. Hey! Right to the dollar level is showing you that someone already was ready for this. And now on this pullback, if they were short, they got out. And now on this pullback, someone accumulated long to break out continuation. Uh, this is probably a bunch of shorts were trying to short this, and then this was the short squeeze to liquidate them, and somebody probably got it bad because it's not easy to move gold like in big swings. It's like central bank stuff. So this is like bank versus bank against the country's currency, against Bitcoin. Like there's a lot of work involved with managing a trade with this asset. So, yeah, this is what I have for you guys. I'm looking for something over here. Um, just gotta wait a week or two and see. This week is already looking for upside. I mean, this is closed. See, the gold market CME is closed. Sunday when this opens, I'm looking for the new weekly candle to stay above this box of 2050 and continue into 2150 and beyond. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you guys are interested in trading like how I trade and you're trading crypto or anything and you want like my ear just to like give you my opinion or whatnot, feel free to join Discord, DM me. We have a whole separate member section for serious traders. Please take advantage of it if you're interested. It's really, really worth at least learning if you're trying to make a living out of this. So take it for what it is. Link to the Discord servers in the description to this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. This video I'm going to be putting out for everyone in YouTube and the world, but the other video for Bitcoin and ETH and our strategy, I'm going to be keeping it for members, and I'm never going to be probably putting out too many of my secrets on videos, but I will be doing TA with targets and stuff for the YouTube clout. But main bread and butter, it's in the Discord. The people that are trying to trade and make real money. Like yesterday, somebody closed a Shiba long for 50K profit. I know there's one guy, RC. I know there's one guy who's gonna close his bonk long and he's gonna make probably six figures. I'm not really sure. I don't want to quote on that one, but there are people who are making money on altcoins and stuff because no one's looking at altcoins. Everyone's focusing on Bitcoin, ETH, and let's say gold. But there's so many other stocks you can invest in properly. And I'm not even a stock guy. I like crypto. So it's like if you had me advise you, I would be telling you if you're a good trader in stocks, come to crypto. It's a little bit harder, but if you're going from crypto to stocks, there's no way you can't make money. There's no trader in crypto that is good that isn't going to make money in any other market he trades. I can say that without a freaking doubt, with utmost confidence. There is no good trader in crypto that can't trade any other market and just own it. So it's the hardest thing you're ever going to do in your life. If you want to learn how to do it, feel free to join me on the Discord server. Aside from that, guys, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Feel free to join the Discord server just to shoot around ideas if you want. There's a separate member side and there's a full free side. Come make fun of my TA. Come joke around with me. Come talk to me. Just shoot the shit with me. Talk to you soon. See you soon, I hope. And in the next video, guys, if you have any other suggestions, leave it in the comment section. I'll try to make you another video on the asset you actually care about. Thank you and have a great day. Talk to you soon.